Can you all see the screen, guys? Boleh nampak screen? Okay. All right. So today we will start on the permutation and combination revision. Okay, kita ulang kaji bab 4 tingkatan 5. All right. So guys, generally this chapter usually paper 1 suka keluar kertas 1. Okay. So I don't know how you feel lah. Saya tak tahu macam mana kamu rasa. But I think some people say this chapter is, they don't like it very much. Am I right? Mereka tak suka bab ni. A lot of you all lah. Okay, because this chapter is very, what to say, very general. Okay, sangat dan ada banyak cara kamu boleh interpretasi soalan. Okay, there are many ways. But no matter what, if you do enough exercise, should be okay. Okay, kalau kamu buat banyak latihan, jangan risau. Boleh buat juga bab ni. Okay, so first question, today is revision, ulang kaji. Okay, so first question, they ask you to find the number of 4-letter codes. Okay, bilangan kod 4 digit yang dapat dibentuk daripada huruf ni. Okay, from this word. If you cannot repeat anything. Kalau kamu tak boleh ulang apa-apa. Okay guys, so first one, what will be the answer? If you cannot repeat any letter, tak boleh ulang apa-apa huruf. So how many ways can we form it? Anyone? What is the answer? Boleh bagi jawapan. Cuba sahaja, jangan risau. 40320. Okay, let's check and see. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. All right. Okay, the rest, what is your answer? Okay, so let's check and see. Okay, so basically the answer is, okay, the rest, so you can try. Okay, no. All right. So this one, right, is actually 8p4, not 8 factorial. Okay, so why is it 8p4? Okay, so if you check and see, they want you 4-letter code, guys. Do you see this? Code 4 digit, guys. So 8 factorial means that you use all the letter. Okay, kamu guna semua huruf. They only want 4. Okay, 4 sahaja. So 4 maksudnya kamu akan buat 8p4. Am I right? 8p4. Because this one is permutation. Pilih atur. Oh, careful lah guys. You must know how to identify permutation or combination. Kamu kena tahu yang mana satu pilih atur, yang mana satu gabungan. Okay? So, yeah. The answer is 8p4. Okay, so the answer is 1680. Okay? All right, second part. Okay, so out of this 1680, second question, soalan kedua. Dia nak tahu berapa daripada yang ni mula dengan huruf konsonan. Okay, so how many of these letters start with a consonant? Okay, so how do we solve this? Anyone know? From the 1680, how many consonant we have? Berapa huruf yang kita? Okay, 7 consonant. Okay, so you can check and see S, M, B, and Y. Okay, are you sure 7 consonant? Only 5 guys. How do you get 7 consonant? Yes. Okay, 5 consonant, 3 vowel. Okay, 5 consonant, 3. Guys, don't make me scared. Siapa tak tahu maksud consonant, sila pergi ke tadika. Okay, if you don't know what's the meaning of consonant, go back to kindergarten. I'm not going to teach this. Okay, so yes, S, M, B, N, Y is consonant. Okay, luckily you know. Okay, so correct. Okay, so 5 consonant. So they say the letter must start with a consonant. Okay, kena mula dengan consonant. Okay, so you can imagine and see 4 digit. This one must start with consonant. So what number should I put here, guys, at the beginning? Saya kena letak apa? What number? Anyone? What is the first what are the possible numbers I can put in the first place? Berapa jumlah nombor saya boleh letak pada pendudukan pertama? Yes. Okay, 5P1 guys. Or you can say 5 lah. 5P1 sama dengan 5. Okay, same meaning. Okay, so now for the remaining space, untuk yang baki, adakah jumlah dia masih 5? Is the number available 5? Yes, buku teks. Okay, very good. Okay, it's not 5 actually because you can put in any letter you like. Okay, kamu boleh guna apa-apa huruf yang kamu suka. This one is the last page of permutation, the exercise, the last page before the next chapter. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so how to get the answer? Okay, so basically you just do 5P1. Okay, because 5 consonant, pilih 1, and then the remaining 3, you got 7. Okay, because total letter is 8. Okay, jumlah abjad yang kamu ada 8. So you already pick 1. Sudah pilih 1. So the remainder is 3. Remainder is 7. Kamu baki 7. Okay, daripada 7 tu, kamu pilih 3 untuk isi 3 kedudukan ni. Okay, do you all understand guys? So it's 5P1 times 7P3. Okay, so answer is 1050. Clear? Boleh respond? C and P difference. Okay. As you go on in today's lesson, you will understand. Okay, you see how the question asks. Better still, when you read the question here, right, you try to identify by yourself. Is it permutation or combination? Before I tell you the answer. That's the best way to test whether you know or not. Okay. So for this question, if you see something like 4 letter codes, it means it's permutation. Okay. That is one keyword that you can notice from here. Okay. All right. Okay, so one more thing guys, on this question, kalau kamu nampak lah, between these two answer, you see that this answer over here, this one is smaller compared to this one, correct? This one is smaller, 1050 less than 1680. Dia lebih kecil. Okay guys, can I ask you one reason? Why is the second answer less than the first answer? Give me one reason. Kenapa jawapan kedua tu lebih kecil berbanding jawapan pertama? Important question. So anyone? Can you give the reason if you look at the question? So what is the reason over here? Bukan? That's not the answer. Because yes, very good Anis Amira. Okay guys, if you see the second question, right, they ask you how many of these codes start with a consonant, bermula dengan consonant. Ini adalah syarat guys. In English is what we call as condition. Whenever you have a condition, your answer should be lesser. Okay, the total way will be lesser. Okay, jawapan kamu akan lebih kurang. So one way to check whether your answer here is correct or not is it must be less than 1680. Okay, jawapan kamu untuk bahagian kedua kena lebih kurang berbanding nilai ni. Can you all understand that guys? It's something like a larger set and a smaller set. Okay, kamu semua belajar operasi set kan? Set besar, set kecil. So set kecil adalah bahagian kedua soalan ni. Second part of the question. Small set. First part of the question is the large set. Large set because less restriction. Okay, kurang syarat. Tapi bahagian kedua tu lebih syarat. So dia jadi set yang lebih kecil. Okay, so set lebih kecil, pasti nilai juga lebih kecil lah secara logik. Okay, that's why kamu nampak nilai ni lebih kecil berbanding nilai ni. Boleh faham guys? Can you all understand this? So this is one way you can check whether your answer is correct or not. Can you explain again yang tanpa ulangan? Okay, tanpa ulangan very simple. I give you another situation. Okay, I give you another question. Okay, let's say you got, okay, you give me one word. Bagi saya satu perkataan yang kamu nak saya bincang. One word that you all want me to discuss. Any word that you all like. Apa-apa perkataan. Because I cannot think of a word right now. Anyone? Bagi saya satu perkataan. Any word you like. Holiday. Okay, so you all want holiday lah. Okay, can? Holiday. Okay, guys. Okay. So for those just now asked tanpa pengulangan, without repetition, okay, let's say I use all the word. Okay, saya guna semua perkataan. So guys, how many letter I can put in the first position? Berapa huruf saya boleh letak kedudukan pertama? Kalau tak ada apa-apa syarat lah, no restriction. 7, right? 7 kan? Because total letter is 7. Correct? Okay, so now they say without repetition, tanpa pengulangan. So guys, can you all tell me what is the number of letter in the second position? Apa nombor? Saya kena letak kat sini. Very good. Okay, for those that understand, you will say 6. Kalau tak faham, kamu akan cakap 7. Okay, so mengapa jawapan dia 6? Sebab kalau tanpa pengulangan, maksudnya jumlah kamu akan berkurang 1. Okay, contoh. Let's say huruf pertama saya pilih H. Guys, can I repeat H anywhere here? Boleh tak? Saya letak H kat mana-mana. Cannot, right? Because they already say without repetition, tanpa pengulangan. So itu sebab jumlah kita berkurang 1. Our total need to decrease by 1. Okay? Are you all clear, guys? So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you times everything. Kali semua. Okay? Yes, very good. If it's with repetition, then you just times 7. Okay? Itu beza dia. Faham? Untuk yang tanya kalau tiada pengulangan, can you all understand now? So this is without repetition. Okay, good. Okay, we come back here. Okay, second question. Okay, so this question is kira ke barang kalian. Okay, untuk menekalah okay, kata laluan. Okay, yang mengandungi 6 abjad. Okay, 6 letter and number also. Okay, from all number and letter, guys, very important. Dari semua nombor dan abjad yang kita ada di dunia ni. Okay, guys, first one, nombor. Berapa bilangan nombor kita ada di dunia ni? Boleh bagi tahu saya? What is the total number we have in this world? Okay, you put 1 juta, the examiner will put a cross on your paper. Okay? Not infinity ya guys. Total number. Bukan 26. 26 tu abjad. Kalau tak silap saya. Total number guys. Yes. 0 until 9. Am I right guys? Nombor kamu hanya ada 0 sampai 9. Betul? So total is 9 lah. Okay? Clear guys? So, sorry. It's not 9. The answer is 10. 0 to 9 is actually 10. Sorry. Okay, 9 plus 1. Because if you count and see, kamu boleh kira lah 0 sampai 9. You will get total of 10. Okay? How about alphabet guys? Berapa abjad kita ada? Total. Okay, now it's time for you all to sing lah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 26. Okay? But guys, is 26 the final answer? I ask you here lah, logically. Do you think 26 is the final answer? Yes or no? Adakah 26 tu jawapan akhir? Okay, why no? Why cannot? Okay, so this question is a bit unique lah. Actually, right, for alphabet, the answer is only 26. Okay? Bukan. Guys, you all know alphabet got uppercase and lowercase, right? Ada huruf besar, huruf kecil. So this is 26 is for huruf kecil. 26 lowercase. We also got 26 uppercase. Am I right? Kita ada dua ni. So campur, you should get 52. Am I right? Total lah, uppercase and lowercase. Huruf besar, huruf kecil, jumlah 52. But in this question, we only consider one of it. Kita hanya akan guna satu sahaja. So the total is actually 26 only. Can you all understand? Because we assume uppercase and lowercase is the same in this case. Kita anggap dua-dua ni adalah sama. So we just take 26 plus 10. So total is 36. Okay guys? Boleh faham? Can you all understand? So that's why the answer is 36 P6. Okay, sebab kamu nak bentuk kod 6 digit. So P6 lah. Why ah? Actually, to be honest, let me see. The question is not so clear actually. Soalan tak jelas sangat sebenarnya. So if you put 52 plus 10, yes, I understand your point. 62 P6. Generally, I think is correct also. Dalam konteks soalan ni lah. Because the question never actually specify to all of you. Okay, whether it must be, what to say, uppercase or lowercase. They never tell you. Okay, mereka tak bagi tahu kena huruf besar atau huruf kecil. Okay, so means that I think this question a bit low quality lah. Okay, quality dia tak sangat bagus. P6 is because of 6 codes. Okay, this one over here. Okay, containing 6. Okay, they want a password containing 6. Okay, kata laluan dengan 6 karakter sahaja. Okay, so jumlah dia adalah yang ni lah. Okay, this one. Okay, this one here should be wrong also. This one is not probability, guys. This is the number of ways. Okay, because probability is not this one. Dia tak sama. Okay, so this one is wrong. You just change it to number of ways. Bilangan cara. Okay, so yeah. Clear, guys? Can you all get it? Any problems so far? Should be none, right? Okay, all right. So if the question come out in the exam, let's say lah, soalan macam ni keluar dalam peperiksaan, what you should write, guys? Should I say 36 or 62? What do you all think? Kalau soalan macam ni keluar dalam peperiksaan, should I write 36 P6 or 62 P6? Which one more logic? If you think and see. Okay. Yes, 62 more logic. Correct. Okay, for me lah, 62 is more logic. 62 lebih selamat. Kalau 36 tak selamat sangat. Okay, so yeah. And also one more thing, right? You see this word over here, guys. The question say from all, daripada semua, semua abjad, from all the alphabets. So means that they actually consider uppercase and lowercase also. Dia telah termasuk huruf besar dan huruf kecil. Sebab soalan cakap semua abjad. Okay, so just consider both to be safe. All right, so next one. Okay, so first question, they ask you the number of ways in this letter, in this word, sorry. Okay, and it must not begin with letter S. Dia tak boleh bermula dengan huruf S. So how to do this, guys? What is the first step I must do? Or anyone got the final answer? You can tell. Berapa cara huruf dalam perkataan ni boleh disusun kalau dia tak boleh mula dengan huruf S? 5P4. Wow, so fast. 96. Let me check and see. 5P4. 5P4 is 120. Okay, one of you say 120, 96. Okay, so basically, how to solve the question is you just put like this. Okay, do something like this. Pulas. Okay, you want to arrange all the letter. Kamu nak susun semua. So guys, can anyone tell me this position over here? How many letter can I put? Berapa abjad saya boleh isi? First position. Okay, guys, read the question carefully. One. Guys, they say does not begin with letter S. Tak boleh mula dengan huruf S. So total kamu ada 5. So means that minus 1 lah. So 5 minus 1, you have 4 in total. Okay? Yeah. Okay, correct. Okay, so for the next position, how much or how many possible I have? 3. Okay. Let me check and see. 3, 5. Okay, guys. If you say 3, right? Kalau kamu cakap 3 kan, you observe this thing and see. Is it possible that the last digit I have 0, guys? I don't think so, right? Because I need to have the what? I need to have a number at the back. Saya perlu ada digit kat sini. So if you say 3, right, in the second position, is wrong concept already. Okay? So means that you must change. Because we cannot have 0 at the end here is wrong. Kita tak boleh letak kosong. Okay? Because we need to use all the letter. Okay, so what you all can think and see now. Okay, so let's say one letter already pick. Okay, total kita ada 5 kan? Total is 5 letter. So you pick one. So baki you have 4. Am I right? So you will put 4 over here. And then you continue. 3, 2, 1. So this is the answer. 4 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Are you all clear, guys? Something like this. Okay, why 4? Which position? First or second? You asking me. Is it you asking for the first position or second? Second is because we got total 5. Kita ada 5 abjad. Betul? Lepas tu kita dah pilih 1. Betul? We already choose 1 for the first position. So tinggal 4 lah. Can you all understand? Total 5, choose 1, baki 4. Okay? So this one is 1 already. Kita dah pilih 1 kat sini. Okay guys? Clear? Tapi dia tak cakap kan without repetition. Betul. Tapi bila dia tak cakap apa-apa, kamu kena anggap without repetition. Okay, when the question never mention anything, right guys, you must assume that it is without repetition. Kalau tak cakap apa-apa, dia maksud tanpa pengulangan. Okay? Mereka takkan bagi tahu kadang-kadang. Alright? So, yeah. Kalau ada pengulangan, mereka akan cakap kat kamu. Okay, if there's repetition, definitely the question will mention. Okay, 100%. Okay, so yeah. So the answer is 96. Okay, so there is many different way to do this lah. Ada banyak cara. So satu cara saya tunjuk kat sini lah. Kamu akan dapat jawapan 96 juga. Okay, the answer is also 96. Okay, so you can follow my method. Is this method easy, guys? Adakah kaedah ini senang nak faham? Easy, right? Okay, because I feel the method textbook used is more complicated. Okay, lebih susah sikit. Okay, so actually, right, to be honest, this topic, there is no one method only. Ada banyak kaedah sebenarnya. As long you get the correct answer, kamu akan dapat markah. Itu topik ni. That's how this topic works. Okay, as long you get the correct answer, no matter what method you use, tak kira apa kaedah kamu, asalkan dapat jawapan tu betul, betul. Itu konsep dia. Boleh faham? Tapi pastikan kaedah kamu tu logik lah. Your method must be a logical method and make sense to the examiner. Okay, dia kena logik bagi pemeriksa. Satu syarat yang tu sahaja. Okay, are you clear? So jangan nampak skema, don't look at the mark scheme and think that there is only one way to solve the question. Okay, there are many ways. Kadang-kadang certain kaedah dia tak disenaraikan dalam mark scheme. Okay, so jangan risau. Asalkan jawapan betul, kamu dah okay. Okay, so don't worry too much. Alright, so next one. Okay, so question B. Yeah, that's why I say this topic is more free lah for you. Because kamu tak ada apa-apa halangan. Kamu boleh mencuba pelbagai kaedah. Asalkan dapat jawapan. So it's more liberal. Okay, you can think freely. As long you get the correct answer, you're correct lah. Simple as that. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so question B. They say does not end with S or P. Okay, so how to do this? Dia tak boleh akhir dengan S atau P. Okay, so again, you can use my method here. You draw the same thing. Okay, sekarang is about the last digit. So you focus yourself on the last digit. Okay, so how many digit can I put at the last position here, guys? Berapa saya boleh letak? It cannot end with S or P. Yes, 3 lah. Okay, so 3 kat sini. Okay, so what is my first digit? Berapa possibility nombor saya boleh letak for first digit? If 5, you repeat already. Okay, you must assume without repetition. Guys, if you put 3, right? 3 logic 3, 2, 1, 0. This one 0, you know. Logic ke tak? Yang keempat tu kosong abjad. Tak logic kan? You must have at least one. Sekurang-kurangnya satu. So you have to start with 4. Do you all understand? 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? 3, 3 cannot. It cannot be same. If 3, 3 means you repeat already. Kamu dah ulang. If 3 is beside 3, means that repetition happened already. Okay? If these two, something like this one is okay. Separate. It's not counted as repetition. Okay? So, yeah. So, I think it's 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Keyword S or P. So, it's either 1. That's why I choose 4. Oh, okay. Let me check and see. Let's see whether my answer correct or not. Oh, okay. You see, guys, when I use this method, right, the answer actually not correct. If you check and see, okay, you actually get 72 with this method. Okay, so something is wrong here. Okay, so maybe I underestimate, kurang jangka dah. Okay, so basically, when you see this type of question, right, what is the best method to do is you separate to 2 case. Okay, kamu pisahkan dia kepada 2 case yang berlainan. Okay, so if you separate to 2 case, you can see it more clearly. Okay, so how to separate? Okay, so you draw 2 boxes. Sometimes it's just about trial and error, guys. Okay, kamu kena cuba. Kalau salah, kamu cuba lagi sekali. That's the only way. You see, like just now, I also make mistake because I consider wrongly. Okay, so you must trial and error. Okay, so first case, let's say it end with S. Okay, dia tak boleh akhir dengan S. Okay, so means that you can put 4 letter here. Am I right? If never end with S, means I can basically put 4 letter at the end. Okay, so then the remaining will be 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so yeah, the remaining will be this one. Okay, so then second case, basically you repeat the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, guys, the pen not. Okay, so you put 4 and then 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let me check and see whether can get or not. 16. Wait for a while lah, guys. Saya nak fikir sekejap. Tidak boleh. Okay, I give you all one tips here. Okay, guys. Usually, right, when you see got 2 alphabet, right, 2 huruf yang mereka cakap, right, and the question use negative sentence, dia guna ayat pasif. Okay, so means that it's better to use the method of total, okay, jumlah minus with and with S or P. Can you all understand, guys? So basically, when you see 2 letters like this, you use this method, much easier. If not, the other method is slightly hard. Okay, kaedah tu lebih susah. So you must use the indirect method, kaedah yang tak langsung sangat. Okay, tak sangat straight. Okay, can you all understand, guys? So means that you just consider like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so they say end with S or P. Am I right? So end with S or P means that I can put 2 here. Correct? Because it's akhir dengan S atau P. So I put 2 there. Okay, then you got remaining 3. Okay, 3 over here. you can say 3P3. Okay, 3 pilih 3, and this one 1P1. Okay, so you times all of these together times 2P1. Okay, guys, are you all clear? So this is the method you can use. Can you can send to me later. I'll answer. Okay, guys, boleh dapat. For this question is a bit special because you have two alphabets, dua abjad. So whenever you see two alphabets, use this case: total minus and with S or P. Okay, this is one of the techniques you can use. Okay, so total, guys. Can anyone tell me what is the total for this question? Jumlah cara. Very simple. Should be 5P5. Betul? Because you got 5 letter, you want to arrange all the 5. So it's 5P5. Okay? So 5P5, you minus this one. Tolak yang ni. Can you all understand? Can respond a bit if you understand the concept? Can, huh? Okay, so your answer you should get is 108. 108. Okay, maybe just now, right? The mistake I made is I forget one thing. Okay, still same. Still wrong. Cannot. You still need to use this method. Tak boleh guna kaedah tu. Sangat susah yang tu. Okay, better use this method. Easier to understand. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, so anyone knows why is it like this? Why I need to separate like this? 1P1 times 3P3. Can anyone tell me? Kenapa saya tak boleh terus tulis 4P4? Why I cannot write 4P4? I must write 1P1 times 3P3. Can anyone explain? What is the reason? Siapa tahu yang ni? Why do we need to separate it to 1P1 and also 3P3? What is the reason behind it? Anyone? Boleh bagi sebab? Tak tahu. Okay, so basically, right, over here you got two letter. Am I right? S or P. Okay, kamu ada dua huruf. Okay, so let's say saya sudah pilih S. Okay, 2P1 kan? Okay, I choose S. So the remaining letter, right, yang akhir tu, yang tak dipilih, saya kena letak kat depan. Okay, I must put it at the front. Okay, which means 1P1. Can you all understand? Means that the P, because saya tak pilih P, I must put it at the front. Means P come here. Can you all understand this? Okay, because 2P1 is one case. Okay, dia satu case macam tu. So means that the remainder of the case, I must put it in front. I cannot simply put anywhere. Saya tak boleh letak ke mana-mana. So that is the concept over here. Slightly difficult, this question, because it's not so direct. Okay, so you need to think a bit more deeply, this one. Especially using the concept. Again, which part you don't get it? I wrap everything first, so that is easier. 3P3 tu macam mana? Okay, start slowly. I explain one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so basically the concept is total minus S or P. Am I right? So the last digit I can put S or P. Can you all understand this? Boleh faham yang ni? Setakat ini? I go step by step. Okay, can. Okay, means that this one is 2P1. Betul? Sebab kamu kena pilih satu dari dua yang ni. Okay, this is first. Second, baki. Baki tinggal berapa, guys? Satu kan? After 2P1, you left with one more letter. Satu lagi huruf. So actually, right, dia tak semestinya kena duduk kat depan. It doesn't mean it must be at the front. I can put anywhere actually. I can put here, here, or here. Mana-mana saja. Tapi dia kena 1P1. It must be 1P1. Okay, although I put it anywhere. Okay, let's say I put it here. 1P1. Can you all get it? Okay, I can put anywhere one. Doesn't mean it must be at the front because they want you to arrange randomly. Okay, dia nak suruh kamu susun secara lawak. Okay, so means that the remainder, baki yang ni semua, is 3p3. Am I right? Ataupun 3 factorial lah. Kalau kamu faham lebih bagus dengan factorial. Okay, 3p3 is actually 3 factorial. Factorial mean that you can arrange randomly. Kamu boleh susun secara lawak. Okay? Can you all understand now, guys? Boleh dapat? Good, huh? Clear? Okay. So this is why you see that over here, right? This number, yang ni, we use the permutation 2p1 because this is a fixed condition adi. Kita tak boleh ubah yang ni. So whenever you see something fixed, cannot do anything, usually we use the symbol of p. Okay? When there is restriction, bila ada syarat dalam soalan. Okay? If you don't have any syarat, tak ada syarat, you can use the symbol of factorial. So means that 3p3, if you don't like the 3p3, you can write as 3 factorial, 3 factorial. Or maybe 1p1, you can write as 1 factorial. If you understand better using factorial. Okay, guys? So it's just a suggestion only for you if you confuse using the 3p3 or 1p1. Okay? So this is the answer for 3b. Why 1p1 ah? Okay. Wah, this question hard ah. Susah tak guys? Soalan ni. I rasa susah kot. I can feel from the atmosphere. It's a bit hard. I can sense the atmosphere from you all. Okay, so basically, this one is S or P, right? Am I right? So 2p1. Boleh faham yang ni? Understand, right? 2p1. Okay. So second step, you already choose one. Kamu dah pilih satu. So baki satu. You left with one. Okay, so you left with one. 1p1. Am I right? Sebab satu saya hanya boleh isi dalam satu kedudukan. Betul? Okay, because our total is only one. One remainder from here. Okay, dari sini yang baki. Wait, 1p1, the last number y1. You mean this number? Oh, because common sense lah. Guys, can I have 1p0 for this question? Not common sense, right? It doesn't make logic. Can I have 1p2? Cannot, right? Not logic. N must be always greater than R. Nilai N2 kena lebih besar dari nilai R. So, the value is only 1. Satu sahaja boleh. Okay? So, that's why it's 1p1. If you confuse with this one, you just say 1 factorial. Simple. Okay? Satu factorial sahaja. Okay? Clear? Huh? So, we go on to the next question. Okay, so question 4. I scared when I stay too long at question 3, you all will confuse even more. Kamu lebih susah nanti. Okay, so we go question 4. Okay, so they say got futsal match. Okay, so futsal match, you got win, lose, or draw. Okay, kalah menang seri. Okay, so they say got 5 match. Okay, kamu ada 5 perlawanan. So they ask you the number of ways a match can end up. Okay, interesting. So mereka tanya apa kesudahan perlawanan. Kalau ada 5 perlawanan, setiap perlawanan ada menang, kalah atau seri. Okay, so macam mana buat yang ni? How to do this? This one is, you must think logic also lah. Okay, fikir secara logic. You got 5 match. 1 match, you can win, lose, or draw. So total, how many ways you have? Okay, so first question. Is this permutation or combination? Adakah ni pilih atur atau gabungan? First question. What do you all think? Okay, very good. Wait. Let me see. I also not confident. Okay, yes. This is combination. Correct. Okay, actually, you no need permutation or combination to solve also. You can use common sense one. Okay, so I draw out a tree diagram for you. Saya lukis raja pokok. Okay, guys. So you got 5 matches. Am I right? Match 1. Okay, maybe I draw like this so that you all can see. Match 1, match 2, match 3, 4, 5. Okay, guys? Can you imagine? So each match, setiap perlawanan boleh menang, seri, kalah. Win, draw, lose. Win, draw, lose. Win, draw, lose. Can you all see, guys? This is a tree diagram. Boleh dapat? So this is all the possibilities. Semua kebarang kalian. So guys, how to find the total ways? Yes, no need ikut urutan for combination. So what is my final answer? Jawapan akhir. So basically, this is one group, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth group. You have total 5 group. So basically, 3 power 5. 3 kuasa 5 lah. Can you understand? Bukan 5 darab 3. No, that one not correct concept. Okay, it's 3 kuasa 5. Means that the 3 you repeat for 5 times. Kamu ulang 3 ni sebanyak 5 kali. Okay, you repeat the first match for 5 times. So you have total 243 outcomes. Okay, clear guys? Boleh dapat? So the answer is just like this. Very simple. No need to use permutation or combination. This better than Q3, yes. Because no condition, guys. If you notice, right, this question, tak ada syarat kan? There is no condition at all. Whenever the question got no condition, it's very simple to solve. Lebih senang berbanding soalan yang ada syarat, macam nombor 3. Okay? So hopefully in your exam, they come out question without syarat lah. Okay, tanpa sebarang syarat. Then very easy to score mark. But usually it won't be like that, sadly. Okay? Alright. Okay, so guys, you see already, syarat sudah datang. Okay? N and G must be together. Okay, dua huruf ni kena sama, bersama lah. Okay, so they ask you how many ways I can arrange this word. Okay, interesting question. Okay, so the question is N and G must be together. Okay, so I use a separate page for this one. Okay, guys, so the word is janjang. Okay, so how, guys? How am I going to arrange this word? Can anyone tell me what is the concept? They ask you, I think, okay, total lah. Kamu kena susun semua huruf. You must arrange all the letters given. So how can I do this? Anyone want to try? Okay, so janjang. Okay, so means that you got total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Start dengan A. Jangan. Okay, jangan mula dengan A. Okay, question say N and G must be together. Am I right? So kamu letaklah N and G together. Okay, so you must treat this as one group. Satu kumpulan. Okay, so make sure when you find the total way. Okay, guys, first question. Can N and G swap place? Yes or no? Adakah N dan G boleh tukar kedudukan? Yes. So if they can tukar kedudukan, means 2 factorial. Okay? N dan G ni boleh tak dia gerak pada kedudukan lain? Can it move the position? Can, right? Okay, sepatutnya dia boleh gerak. So kalau boleh gerak, kamu kali 6 factorial. Okay, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boleh lihat cara saya kira? This one is counted as one position, guys. Satu kedudukan sahaja. Sebab satu kedudukan ni diisi oleh 2 abjad. Okay, this whole position is filled in by 2 letters. So we only count this as one position. Although you see 2 positions over there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear on this thing? So 2 factorial times 6 factorial. Okay guys, is this the final answer? Adakah ni jawapan akhir? Yes or no? Because the question say N and G must be together. Huruf N dan G ni kena bersama. So adakah ni settle? Is it that's all? Yes or no? Okay. Apa lagi saya kena buat kat sini? What is the other thing I must do? Very good. Okay, AJ guys. Do you all see this repeating letter? Okay, huruf yang berulang. Okay, remember to always remember this. Senang nak lupa yang ni, tapi kamu kena ingat. Okay, the repeating letter. A and J. Okay, you got two repeating letter over here. So that's why divide 2 factorial times 2 factorial. Boleh dapat guys? So your final answer is actually this one only lah. Ini adalah jawapan akhir dia. Can you all understand? Clear? Should be okay, right? Can comment a bit kalau boleh faham. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's check the answer and see. Okay, so you should get, let me see. Wait guys. I think I forget one more thing. Janjang. Jan. Okay, guys. Over here, right? One more thing that I forget to explain. Okay, so if you refer this letter, you also got an N. Am I right? Kamu ada huruf serupa juga kat sini. N. Betul? So means that you must also divide 2 factorial one more time because of the N. Okay? Can you all understand, guys? So this is the final answer. Clear? Okay, so maybe some of you will ask me, why do we need to divide 2 factorial? Mengapa kita kena bagi yang ni? Sedangkan N tu dalam satu kumpulan dah. Because N is already in one group, right? So you might ask me, why do I still need to divide? Can anyone answer this? Siapa boleh jawab? Mengapa kena bahagi 2 factorial untuk N? Saya tahu dia adalah berulang lah. Yes, 2N. Okay, but why? Because this is one group. Am I right? Ini adalah satu kumpulan. Okay, so dia akan gerak. Betul? This group is going to move to all this position. Am I right? So basically, when they are moving, bila kumpulan ni bergerak, N tu juga bergerak kan? Satu lagi N kat sini. Another N is somewhere over here. Either 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So actually both N are moving. Kedua-dua N tu sedang bergerak. Sebab kedudukan dia tak tetap. Betul? Soalan tak bagi tahu apa-apa. Iaitu N kena tetap kat situ. Okay, N is able to move anywhere you like. So whenever you see letters moving and they are identical, means that you must divide 2 factorial. Okay? Are you all clear? So don't forget this part over here. A lot of people might forget because they think N is already in one group. Okay, mereka fikir tu N tu satu kumpulan dah. So tak payah bahagi. Okay, actually kena bahagi juga. Okay? Clear guys? So this is the final answer for this question. So you should get okay. So you should get final answer is 180. 180. Okay? Clear with question 5 guys? Boleh faham? Can you all respond a bit if clear? Clear? So we move on to the next question. Soalan 6. Okay, hopefully you all not so bored over there because this topic can sometimes be slightly boring. Okay, bab ni boleh sedikit apa nak kata, sebab susah kan. So mungkin kamu rasa macam tak senang hati sangatlah buat bab ni. Okay, but you still have to do. Not yet. Chapter 5 not yet. 5 and 6 left. Okay. Because I discussed a lot of questions with you guys. Okay, so it take time actually. Because at maths, memang must do a lot of question. for every single topic. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so for this question, they say got 4 sizes. Okay, 4 size. So these are all the 4 sizes: SML, XL. Okay, and they say a store, satu store, dia ada 2S, 3M, 6L. Okay, so 2S, 3M, 6L, and also 2XL. Okay, so this is the condition here, 2XL. Okay, so the question is, find the number of way to sell all the shirts. Okay, so macam mana saya boleh jual semua baju ni? Okay, so is this permutation or combination? Adakah ni pilih atau gabungan? Soalan ni. What do you all think? Anyone? Permutation or combination? Yes. Okay, permutation. Correct. Okay, so basically, what is your total here, guys? Apa jumlah baju kat sini? You should get 13. Am I right? Yes. Okay, so basically 13 factorial. Okay, tapi bukan itu sajalah, sebab semua yang ni adalah serupa. Betul? All of these are same. 2S, 3M, 6L, 2XL. So all of these are identical object. Okay? Object yang serupa. So you means that you need to divide all the object. 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 6 factorial, 2 factorial. Okay? So final answer, kamu akan dapat satu nombor yang sangat unik. You will get a very special number, 360, 360. Okay? Understand, guys? So this is the answer for question 6. Clear? So you should get this answer. Any problem so far? Apa-apa kamu rasa tak boleh faham? Clear, huh? Okay, very good. Okay, we go to the halfway point of today's lesson. Question 7. Okay, so for question 7, they say that they have 7 tree, 7 pokok. Okay, you want to decorate the house. Okay, and then, okay, we talk about circle now, guys. 5 pokok dalam bulatan. So how many ways I can plant these guys? Try to recall for circle. What is the formula? Apa rumus dia? Or if you can, you direct give the answer lah. Boleh bagi jawapan. Nitya, please take note that we are doing permutation and combination, not circle chapter. Okay, so remember guys, untuk pilih atur dan gabungan kita takkan guna rumus ni ya. I know we are talking about circle, circumference, but we are not relating to the length here. Okay, kita tak bincang pasal panjang. So we are comparing the number. So we cannot use that formula. Okay? Bukan? Okay guys, you must take note. N minus 1 factorial is for arranging all the plants. Bila kamu susun semua 7 pokok ni, baru kamu boleh guna rumus ni. Okay? But now, kamu lihat soalan. Dia nak susun 5 sahaja. Betul? Okay, you want to arrange 5. Okay, so whenever we are choosing, bila kita pilih, you must have the symbol R. Can you all understand, guys? So means that rumus ni salah lah, because you only got symbol N. Okay? So you need to change the formula. Okay, so anyone remember what is the circle formula? Rumus bulatan untuk pilih atur. Anyone can remind me what is the formula? This one is not given in your exam. Okay, yang ni tak diberi dalam peperiksaan. Divide 2R. Okay, salah. Okay, so basically the answer is NPR bahagi R. Okay, are you all clear, guys? Bahagi 2R, this 2 is for necklace. Remember, untuk rantai sahaja. Bila soalan cakap rantai, baru kamu bahagi 2R. Okay, when the question say necklace, then you divide 2. Okay, or bracelet in English. Okay, clear guys? So you will have 75 divided by 5. So answer is 504. Senang kan? Kalau soalan macam ni keluar, tak susah sangat. Kalau bulatan atau rantai, dia straightforward usually. But kalau soalan selain tu, dia susah sikit. Okay? Okay, so this one. Round table, meja bulat. Okay, also circle. Okay, so this one, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 people. Tapi ada syarat there is a condition. They say that Emma and Fakul, dia kena duduk bersebelahan. They must sit side by side. Okay, so how to do this, guys? Can you all tell and see? Interesting, this question. They say must sit side by side. So how am I going to do this? Kena duduk bersebelahan. Any suggestion? Cuba fikir. Try to think of the answer before I tell you. So anyone? Have you got the idea how to solve it? 6C2. Over here, we are not using combination. Okay, this question is actually permutation. You must remember, guys, for round table, meja bulat, selalunya soalan akan tanya pasal pilih atur sahaja. It's always on permutation, not combination. Okay, so you must take note of that. So how, guys? How to solve it? Okay, so basically, you can imagine the situation. Okay, so let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a circle, correct? 6 orang. So they say that 2 people must sit side by side. So whenever they say this is considered one group already. Satu kumpulan. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You only left with 5 people. Okay, 5 orang. So guys, you can use the formula for bulatan. Okay, so the answer is n minus 1 factorial. Because over here we are arranging all the people. Am I right? Kita tengah susun semua orang. Jadi kita tak ada simbol R. We don't have the R over here. Okay, this symbol none. So we are using the formula now of n minus 1 factorial for bulatan. Okay, so you will have 5 minus 1 factorial. Okay, but make sure you times 2. Okay, so why must times 2, guys? Can anyone tell me? Kenapa kena darab 2? Reason? Yes, very good. Okay, basically Emma and Fakul, they can switch position. So it's actually 2 factorial. Okay, so that actually you can write it as 2 factorial to understand better. Okay, 2 factorial. Okay, so this one here is the 2 factorial. Okay, guys, are you all clear for this question? So make sure you use the formula of n minus 1 factorial. Okay, so do I need to divide 2, guys? Adakah saya perlu bahagi 2? Yes or no? N minus 1 factorial over 2. Is that correct? If I do that way, n minus 1 bahagi 2. Okay, so basically, this one is wrong. Okay, no need. Can I do 2 factorial times 4 factorial? Yes, no problem. Answer is correct. Okay, because 5 minus 1 factorial is 4 factorial. Okay, so you get back the same thing lah. 2 times 4 factorial. Okay, so why we never divide by 2 is because if you refer our formula earlier, the formula is like this. Am I right? Tadi kita guna rumus ni kan untuk bulatan. This is the formula. So now there is no R. We don't have the R term already. So basically, at the bottom of the fraction, kat bawah pecahan, we don't have any number already. That's why we do not divide 2. Do you all understand? Because the original formula is NPR over R. So kalau tak ada R, we have nothing at the bottom of the fraction. So we only left with the n minus 1 factorial. Okay, so yeah, this is the answer. Clear, guys? Any problems for this question? Shouldn't have lah. Okay, all right. So next part, they say that Emma and Fakul cannot sit side by side. Dua-dua orang ni tak boleh duduk bersebelahan. So how? How to do this question? Anyone? Is related to question A. Dia berhubung kait dengan soalan A. So anyone can give some suggestion how to do B? Come on, guys. Think and see. Total minus side by side. Very good. Okay, that is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, so basically, when you see cannot, right? Bila kamu nampak perkataan tak boleh, usually we use the concept of total minus answer, which mean that answer in A. Okay, so total is what, guys? Total is basically randomly. Okay, kita susun secara random. So total you got 6 people. So 6 minus 1 factorial. Okay, formula is n minus 1 factorial. So our n is 6. Okay, so 6 minus 1 factorial 120. You just minus your answer in A. So the answer you will get is 72. Okay, clear, guys, for this part? Can you all understand? Can comment a bit? So silent, you all can understand. This is the concept. Okay, good. All right. So next one. Few more questions only. Don't worry. Okay. Let me see. Okay, so total 14. Now we are at 9 already. Should be able to finish by today. Okay. So now we are going to move to the combination very soon. Okay. All right. So for this question, they say that okay, interesting. Okay, guys, red. Okay, I know anyone's English is very good here. Can you comment me? Whose BI is very good? What is the meaning of red? Can you all tell me? This one is very rare. Huh? Jarang jumpa perkataan ni in admaths. So what is the meaning of red? Can anyone tell me in the chat box? Because you must understand the word. Kalau kamu tak faham perkataan, you cannot solve the question. Yes, correct. The answer is something like a necklace. Okay, guys. So you must take note. There are few words that represent necklace. Necklace is same as bracelet, and bracelet is same as red in the concept of admaths. Okay, but you cannot say circle. It's not equal to circle. Red is the same formula we use for bracelet. Okay, take note. Okay, so yeah, maybe I can try to Google and see for you all, so that it's easier for you all to understand. I Google the shape to make you all understand what is the meaning of red. I don't know why I'm doing this, but it'll help you all because at least you get to see the shape. Boleh nampak bentuk red of flowers. Okay, so now you check and see, does it look like a bracelet or not? Okay, looks like bracelet, right, guys? Dia nampak macam rantai, betul? But actually it look like a bit of a circle lah. Okay, something like a circle, but you can call it as bracelet. Okay, so the shape is actually a bracelet. Okay, guys, clear? So don't tell me this is circle shape. It's not. It's a bracelet shape. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so basically you must use the formula of NPR divided by 2R. Okay, so sorry, not NPR. We are using all the flower, right? Kita tengah guna semua. So we will use n minus 1 factorial divided by 2. Okay, are you all clear, guys? So this is the formula we use. Okay, divided by 2. Very important. Jangan lupa yang ni. Okay. So now guys, 3 red flowers, 3 merah, 4 biru, 5 putih. So guys, what are all these? These are identical object. Okay, object serupa. So means that times 3 factorial times 4 factorial times 5 factorial. Okay, are you all clear, guys? So this is the answer. N is equal to 12. Okay, so you substitute 12 in your answer. Okay, boleh dapat, guys? So this is your final answer for this question. So you should get answer of 1155. Can, guys? Everyone here? Boleh dapat? Kalau boleh, cuba komen. We have ended the permutation already. Bahagian pilih atau we done already. Can repeat 8B? Wah, question 8 Wait let me find. Question 8. Oh, this one. This one is basically you use the concept of total minus answer. Okay? Because the question say cannot. Can you see this? Cannot. So on top is can. Correct? Must sit side by side means they can sit side by side. So opposite of can is cannot. Correct? So means that you will use total minus the answer in A. Okay? Basically, it's just like negation. You all learn maths, right? Logical reasoning, Form 4, Chapter 3. B is actually like negation. Am I right? Penafian bagi soalan di A. Sebab kamu nampak perkataan ni. Okay? So that's why we use 120 minus answer in A. Clear? Angela? Clear? Huh? Okay. So we go back to the question. Okay. So now we go to question 10. Okay. So for question 10 onwards, we are talking about combination. Okay. Gabungan already. 10 to 14. So there is no permutation, if not mistaken. Okay. So over here, they say that a school contains 6 questions, tests. Okay. 6 questions, part A, 7 part B, and calon kena jawab 10 soalan. Okay, you must answer 10. Okay, and then at least 4, sekurang-kurangnya 4 kena dari bahagian A. Itu adalah syarat dia. Okay, so the question is, how many ways I can answer all these questions? Okay, so guys, when you see the structure of the question like this, bila nampak soalan dia macam ni, selalu ingat dia adalah gabungan. Okay, this is combination. Okay, why? Because the arrangement is not important. Susunan tak penting. You can answer any way you like. Am I right, guys? Kamu cuba fikir scenario peperiksaan. You think of an exam. Does it mean I need to start with question 1, guys? Perlu tak saya mula dengan soalan 1? Let's say you sit for SPM. Objective. Do I need to start with number 1? Yes or no? Yes. So that's why it's combination. Susunan tak penting. Kamu boleh mula dengan soalan 40, lepas tu soalan 28, lepas tu soalan 16, as long you complete the paper. Am I right? Asalkan kamu boleh habis. Tak kira macam mana kamu buat. Okay, so this is combination, not permutation. Okay, so you can use the combination concept. Okay, so basically you separate to 3 cases. Okay, because they say at least 4 from section A. Okay, so section A ada 6. Betul? So possible case 4, 5, and also 6. Okay, you can have 4 question, 5 question, or 6 question. Okay, so that's why you got all these cases. Okay, so 6C4 times with 7C6. Okay, so why C6? Because you must answer 10 question. Kamu kena jawab 10 soalan. So means that the total number that you see over here, jumlah nombor kat bawah, selalunya kena 10. Okay, your total must always get 10 at the end. Okay guys, can you all see that? Jawapan untuk nilai R tu kat bawah selalunya 10. Okay, because you got total of 10 question. Okay, are you all clear guys? So final answer is you just add up all the 3 case. Okay, because all of this happen at different time. Dia berlaku pada masa berbeza. So that's why kita tambah. Okay, so your answer is 266. Okay, clear guys? Can I continue? Boleh teruskan? Minda semua masih sehat? Sehat ah? Okay, harap minda kamu semua masih sehat. Masih boleh. Okay, very good. As long you are still mentally strong, then we continue. Okay, question 11. All these question is actually but based on the textbook. Soalan hots lah. Okay, so is usually the level of difficulty is hard lah. Tahap kesukaran dia adalah suka. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let me see. Okay, so they say that they want to select 3 members. Nak pilih 3 orang daripada 4 pasangan. Okay, guys, this is your favorite question. Am I right? Ini soalan, kalau kamu tak dapat markah penuh, tak payah berkahwin. Okay, no need to get married, guys. If you answer this question wrong, trust me, in the future, you will not get married. Confirm 100%. I tell you, you will not get married one if you get this question wrong. Any of the question. Because all the question is related to how you find a partner. Can you all see it? Semua soalan berkaitan dengan cara kamu pilih pasangan kamu. Am I right? So if you cannot choose your partner over here, how you going to choose in real life, guys? Tak boleh pilih kan? So next time you think and see. When you do this question, be careful when you answer. Jangan bagi pemeriksa gelap. Okay, don't make them laugh because there are many ways you can make them laugh actually if you answer wrongly. Okay, so be careful. Okay, so first question. 4 couples, 4 pasangan. Berapa orang guys? Kalau yang ni siapa salah, habislah kamu. How many people guys? If we have 4 couple, total people. Okay, bagus. Kamu semua ada pengetahuan Okay, 8 couple is 2 people. Okay, boy and girl. Okay, so you're going to select 3 people. Okay, so first question very easy. So what is the answer guys? 11A. Tak ada syarat. I think a lot of people over here in this world, banyak orang dunia ni suka yang ni. All of the people love this one. To choose your partner without restriction. Tanpa sebarang syarat. So how many ways guys? Can you all count? Okay, this one I can make joke over here. You wait for my joke. So anyone? Can you tell me for question A, what is the answer? Come on. Apa jawapan dia guys? Very simple. You got 8 people, community 3 people. So answer is? Hello? Jawapan dia apa guys? It's 8C3. Am I right? Yes. Okay. So guys, now I ask you the question. Why cannot be 8P3? Okay. Very interesting question guys. Kenapa yang ni tak boleh? Kenapa 8P3 tak boleh? You think logic guys. From 4 couples, you are choosing 3 people. Okay? Very dangerous. Sangat bahaya. Nervous to answer. Chill guys. I trying to make a joke out of this question. Saya tengah buat lawak sekarang. Okay guys, you got 8 people, 4 couple. Okay, you think logically and see. If this question is permutation, right? Order is important. Correct? So guys, means that you are biased when you are selecting the couple. Do you all understand me? Kamu menyebelahi pihak because order is important. Means that let's say you are very jealous with one of the couple. Kamu tak suka satu pasangan kat situ. Mungkin sebab break up atau apa-apa. You break up with that person before. So guys, if you're talking about permutation, means that you won't choose that couple. Am I right? Kamu takkan pilih pasangan tu because you're jealous. on those two being together. Okay, so that is the thing. We cannot use permutation here. Can you all understand, guys? So kalau kamu pilih yang tu, maksudnya kamu macam tak ada perasaan lah. You have no feeling. Okay, so that's why the answer is 8C3. Means that we must be equal to all the four couple. Okay, kita kena sama rata. Okay, so 8C3 is the answer. Can you all understand, guys? Boleh dapat? Can, so don't anyone say 8P3. If you say 8P3, means that in real life, kamu jangan couple dengan satu perempuan kat sana. Or satu lelaki kat sana. Sebab kamu kata susunan tu penting. Susunan penting maksudnya apa? Kamu kena lihat betul-betul siapa lelaki tu. Kalau combination, maksudnya apa? Siapa-siapa pun boleh lah. Anyone also can. 8C3. Okay, so you're the kind of person that prioritize the girl that you like. Am I right? If you say 8P3 means that you want a very specific girl. Correct? Because there is condition. Ada syarat. So you have your own condition for the girl that you want. Okay? So depends lah. Are you a type P or type C? Okay. You all know this, right, guys? Type P, type C. Type P got guys? I don't think so, right? Type P tak ada kan? Type C ada lah. China. Okay, type C got lah, Chinese. Type P is what? I don't know. Okay, got anyway start with P. I also thinking now. Okay, so maybe this is the new invention. Type P, permutation. Okay, how you choose your girlfriend. Okay, whether you want to be type P or type C. Bukan positive type lah. I also don't know. Okay, very funny lah. Okay, type P, type C. Okay, never mind. So the answer is 8C3. Okay, so this is for bahagian A. Okay, now come to the restriction. Syarat. Okay, so the question is, all the committee are husband. So this one is very dry lah. Okay, if you understand. Very dry. Because got no girl in the committee. Only got boy. Okay, very, very dry one. This committee. Okay. Kalau BM saya tak tahu lah apa maksud dia. For English, you all understand lah the meaning of dry. Okay. So how to do this, guys? Basically, you have to select 3 people. Correct? So they say all are husband. Means how many husband, guys? Over here. If anyone wrong this, I'm gonna ketuk your kepala di. Berapa suami ada kat sini, guys? 4 couple. Very good, you all. Very smart. Okay, 4. Very good. Siapa cakap 5? Kalau 5 suami, different case lah. Different case already. Malaysia cannot, Malaysia tak boleh buat yang ni. Different country can. USA 8 pun boleh. 8 couple, 8 suami. Boleh. Tak ada masalah. Boy and boy, 4 couple. Or girl and girl, 4 couple. Okay. But since we are taking SPM, kita ambil SPM, kena ada etika jugalah sikit. Okay, you must have ethics. Pendidikan moral atau pendidikan Islam. Okay, so the answer is 4C3 because you got 4 husband, choose 3. Okay, okay, part C. I can make some more joke. Very funny, part C. Okay, husband and wife cannot be in the same committee. This is what is happening currently. A lot of people break up. Okay, no more couple already. So how to solve this question, guys? Kalau kamu dapat jawapan ni betul, maksudnya kamu ada high chance lah nak break up in the future. If you get this question wrong, means that high chance you won't have break up in the future. So anyone want to try this question? Husband and wife cannot serve in the same committee. So how? You must think and see. So you got 4H and 4W. Okay, 4H, 4W. And you want to choose 3 people. So how, guys? What is the answer? Husband and wife cannot be in the same committee. So how should I do this? Anyone? This question is too hard for y'all. 2 husband, 1 wife, 1 husband, 2 wife. Okay. Okay. So can I ask you 0 husband, 3 wife? Can 0 suami, 3 isteri. Logic tak? Husband and wife cannot serve. If USA, then can. Okay, very good. I like your answer. Your answer is correct. Okay, full mark for you. Okay, but not in terms of SPM lah. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so the answer is you have a lot of option. Okay, so basically 8C3. Okay, first case is 8C3. That is the total lah of the number of way. Okay, so basically, let me see. Husband and wife cannot serve in the same committee. So means that 4C1. Okay, first case is 4C1. Okay, and then the second case will be 6C1. Okay, so you need to times these two together and take your answer in A. A is no condition. Tak ada apa-apa syarat. Minus with the answer in 3. Okay, because they say husband and wife cannot serve in the same committee. Okay, so you can imagine as 2 couple. Okay, so let's say you got 2 couple, then you choose one. If you choose one person, means that the husband and wife are not together. Am I right, guys? Logic kan? 2 couple got 4 people, then you choose one, means that the husband and wife no more together. Same for the 6C1. 6C1 is 3 couple. You choose one, means that husband and wife also not together. Boleh faham, guys? Can you all understand this? So the answer is like this. You times. Okay? So this is question 11. Clear, guys? If this question come out in SPM, anyone never score full mark, you wait and see. Okay? You wait and see. Wait for your future. Tengok masa depan nanti. How it's going to be. Trust me. Okay? Because this one is very, very, very daily life. Okay, I can tell you, right? This question is super daily life one, especially for SPM people. Very daily life question. Is so logic. Okay, if you understand relationship, you can answer this so easily. Okay, so yeah, good question. Okay, credit to the buku text writer for putting this question. Very good. Okay, so yeah. Okay, next question. Now come serious already. Okay, so next got taxi. Okay, so you have 1 seat in the front, 3 at the back. 1 kat depan, 3 belakang. Okay, so Zara dan 3 orang. So total got 4 lah, 4 people. Okay, and then okay, so they say no condition, tak ada syarat. Okay, so total you got 4 seat. So anyone? First question, what will be the answer that you get? Okay, so basically there is 1 seat at the front. Okay, 1 kat depan. So means that you can have 4 C1. Am I right? And then the remainder 3 C3. Okay? Yes. Okay, so 4 C1 times 3 C3. So the answer is 4. Actually, very logic one. Okay, you got 4 people, 4 seat. How many way, guys? Okay, it's generally 4 only lah. 4 cara sahaja. Okay, so the answer is 4. Actually, if you don't want to write 3C3 also can. You can just write 4C1. 4C1 sahaja akan bagi jawapan. Okay, the answer is 4. Okay, you no need to write 3C3 also. Okay, so this is the answer for part A. Okay, so next part. They say Zara wants to sit in the front. Okay, so Zara ni dia apa nak kata, tak mau duduk dengan kawan lah. Dia suka berseorangan. Okay, so macam mana nak letak Zara ni? How to put her? Okay, so basically, first step, 1C1. Correct? Because one person only. 1 orang, 1 kerusi kat depan. So 1C1. Okay, and then the remainder, 3 people got 3 seat. So 3C1. Sorry, 3C3. So your answer finally is 1 only. 1 sahaja. Clear? Are you all clear, guys? question B, can respond a bit. I know the marriage question is over already, so now it's a bit more boring. Okay, clear? Huh? Okay, so next one. Question C. They say Zara dia nak duduk kat belakang sekarang. So how? Okay, so basically 3 seat at the back, choose one. Okay, and then remainder of 3 seat, choose 3. Okay, because total you got wait guys. Oh sorry. Because at the back kat akhir ada jumlah 3 kerusi. You have total 3 seat at the back. So means that you must separate. The total here must be 3 first. Okay, and then you fill in 1C1. This is the front. This one is front, back. Okay, can understand guys? So you just check and see like this. You must separate because it's 2 different position at the back and the front. Okay, so you will have 3C1 times 2C2 times 1C1. So answer is 3. Okay, all right. Second last question guys. Kedua terakhir. Okay, is it correct? Let me see. Yes, second last. Okay guys, semangat dah. 2 more question left before we end this chapter. Kita akan habis dah bab 4 ni. Okay, so got 15 people. They like to solve puzzle. Okay, so they meet each other. Okay, so they say they shake hands. Okay, mereka ulurkan tangan. Okay, and then they ask to find the number of handshake. Okay, very interesting. Okay, dia suruh cari bilangan cara kita boleh salam kalau macam tu. Okay, so they ask how many ways. Okay, so how to do this guys? 13A. Common sense, you got 15 people. Okay, and then they say how many handshake. Berapa cara kita boleh salam? 15C2. Very good. Okay, the answer is correct. Okay, because when you shake hand, okay, logic again. Guys, when you shake hand, do you shake hand with 3 people, 4 people, or 2 people? I'm telling at one shot, satu masa sahaja. Kita boleh salam dengan 2 orang sahaja at the same time. Okay, so the total number is only 2. Shake hand with yourself. Very good. Okay, means that you're the most lonely person in the world. Very sorry. Okay, so that one for your case is 15C1. Okay, that one you answer like that for this question. 15C1. Then you're right. Okay, so yeah, the fact. Okay, so the answer is 105. Okay, all right. Second question. They say 3 people who know one another but do not shake hand. Okay, 3 orang ni dia kenali tapi tak salam. Okay, so macam mana? Okay, so basically 3 people, choose 2 lah. Okay, because only 2 people can shake hand. Okay, so basically you take the answer in A minus 3C2 for bahagian B. Okay, because they say do not shake hand, tidak salam. So means that total minus berapa yang salam. Okay, total minus the number that shake hand. Okay, are you all clear guys? So always when you see the word do not, always think of the concept total minus the answer in A. Okay, itu adalah konsep dia. So the answer is 102. Okay, last question guys. Are you all ready? Soalan terakhir. Semangat sikit in the comment box. Okay, this one hard, not easy. Okay, we are talking about nonagon. Okay, so first question, they ask you number of straight line. Okay, so you got nonagon. So how many straight line guys I can draw in a nonagon? Can anyone tell me? Berapa garis lurus saya boleh lukis? Yes. Okay, the answer is here lah. Okay, because straight line, it will connect 2 point. Correct? Garis lurus pasti akan hubungkan 2 titik. So that's why the answer is 9C2. Okay? Because total vertices is 9. Jumlah vertex 9 untuk nonagon. Okay? So the answer is 9C2. Okay, next one. Next one, they say triangle, segitiga. So how guys? How many segitiga? Okay, same concept. Segitiga, you have 3 vertices. Okay, so means that 9 C3. Simple, right guys? 9C3 only. You get the answer. 84. Okay, all right. Last one. They ask how many rectangles can be formed. So what is the answer guys? Sekarang segi 4. So it'll be 9 C. How many? Segi 4. Yes, 4 lah. Okay, sebab segi 4 ada 4 vertex. Okay, so the answer is 9C4 if you check and see. Okay, so the answer is 126. Okay guys, are you all clear with today's lesson? Basically today we already finished permutation and combination. Kita dah habis bab ni. Clear guys? Do you all understand better now this chapter after trying all the example? Because we already tried 14 question, Nitya. Today we do 14 different question already in 1.5 hour. Combination, yes. Combination very straightforward one. So you can get the answer quite easy.